YouTubers! Just dropping off the mail. It's a gorgeous day here. On my way to get myself a coffee. Oh, someone's backing out there. And I'm on my way to get my coffee from good old Timmy's. Everyone objects for me to buying Tim Hortons. Everyone objects everything I do. Never mind Tim Hortons. But I'm going to give you guys some scenery. Everybody wants scenery. So people are asking for scenery. So here's a little tour of Merritt's as I go to the coffee shop. So my store is about a block and a half away from here. But I'm gonna go get coffee and you guys are coming with me to get coffee. Small town living, yay or nay? I like it. I love it. I got my stalker, I got my my little business, I got my, I got my home business, And yeah, I'm very happy. Very, very, very happy. Last night, someone left some bad discussion over on my page there of the Merritt Toys and Games. I'm getting a right tire pressure low. It's fine, guys. Because I changed my I put on my summer tires the other day, so gotta check my tire pressures when I get to a gas station. So yeah, so someone's continuing to harass me. Everybody knows who it is. And I'm gonna stand up against it. I don't care. I mean, people wanna harass me, wanna call me an a-hole, and wanna make fun of me and stuff. That's fine. It just makes me stronger. It makes me better. I'm gonna have to sanction the store for Magic the Gathering now. I said I wasn't gonna do it because I don't want to do it, but I think it's a move I'm gonna have to make now. Here's some scenery for you folks that want to see more scenery, more mountains that live out east. I'm gonna roll up the window so the wind doesn't get too loud. Current local time, it's very early still. It is 10:40. I don't open my shop till 11 a.m. I just dropped off my mail. And I should start doing more scenery videos for you guys when I leave town so you guys can see what's going on, where I'm headed. But this is the up the hill part here in Merritt. It's not to be confused as the bench. The bench is to my left by the golf course there all the way up to the school. So I'm still learning the area, still learning where is what and who is what. And so a little tour here, guys, for my friends. A lot of haters out there, people. Use that negative energy to reverse that negative energy and make yourself stronger. Believe me, it works. Harness the negative energy and put it towards good production, positive production. Karma works a certain way, I didn't sell nothing on eBay last night. Boom, I read those comments. I sold 17 things last night. Pretty much made my entire week, the items that I sold. I have, somebody asked me how many items do I have listed on my eBay page. I have about 830 items. 90% of it is all new stuff. It's no, like, yard sale stuff. And the stuff that I have is used is just hard to find memorabilia that I've picked up over the years and stuff. Like my Mickey Mantle baseball card and my Babe Ruth baseball card, stuff like that. You just don't pick up in any local place. And what about housing, guys? Woo! Woo! Yep, they're taxing empty homes, and homes that don't register have to pay the full Monty. So it's bringing in 31 mil or 31 mil to Vancouver for homeless. The homeless are low income housing, which is a really good thing.
How can I help you?
Hi, good morning. Can I get a large coffee, 1 cream?
Sorry, a large coffee with 1 cream?
Yes.
Anything else?
That's it.
210.
Okay. So, you know, that's what's going on there. And a lot of people are weighing into the comments section saying, hey, you know what? They should be doing this in New Zealand for empty homes. They should be doing this in Australia for empty homes. In the UK for empty homes. I got a lot of people actually email me about that. Somebody emailed me about what's happening with that, and that it was a very good video that I put up yesterday. Extremely low budget video. That's what I do. I don't really go out on the only thing I kind of go out on is when I do my video game reviews, so they're not so bland. And those have been getting flagged as dangerous and bullying, my video game reviews. So somebody doesn't like what I'm doing.
Hi there.
Hey, you. Good morning.
1 cream.
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too, thank you.
So yeah, you know, there's always someone there that's not gonna like you. So that's why you drive harder. You know, I'm gonna do an extra before I go on my summer vacation. I'm going to. Well, there's a lot of things I gotta get done, guys, before I go on summer vacation. I have a new security system. The security company is going to put is going to come in and put a brand new system in for me. The system I have in the house is kind of old, but they want to update it, and they want to put these new sensors they have that are really good and they're hard to find. So they want to come and do that, which is good, and then they want to link it to a camera system that I have already in existence in the house. So they wanna hook that to a camera system because I'm hooked up to a cloud. So security is important, guys, when it comes to your stuff, especially if you're running a business from home. You want to make sure you're secure. And all my neighbors are police officers anyway, so I mean, I'm just gonna leave the key to one of the RCMP officers. Says, here you go, here's the key to my house. And that, so I got to get all that taken care of. And then I have my car's leaking oil. I got to find out where it's leaking from. I'm thinking it's leaking from the oil filter itself, because I think when I got the oil changed done at the dealer, they didn't tighten the oil filter really tight, so it's like super loose, and I think the oil's coming all over the oil filter, and it's just not tight. So I'm gonna get it lifted maybe sometime this week and get that checked. So before I take any major road trips or any trips, I have to make sure the car, the house, everything's all good. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's going good, man. I'm liking it. So I'm going back into downtown Merritt, to the old downtown, if you want to call it that, or actual downtown, or I serviced my transmission the other day. I used my friend's hoist at his shop here locally, and I dropped the pan. It's a ZF transmission, and changed the filter, and the car is running like a champ. Shifting real good, I like it. But yeah, guys, harness the negativity. It's the way to do it. Believe me, it's the way to do it. Harness the negativity around you. You know, this is not as negative as it was living in Vancouver. When I lived in Vancouver, for some reason, everybody had an agenda with you there. Even if they didn't know you. Even if they did not know you, they had an agenda with you. They just didn't like Nobody, you know, just a really negative city, very antisocial, very, you say hi to somebody, they look at you and say, what do you want? You know, when you say, hi, good morning, and they look at you and they say, what do you want? It's like, oh, sorry. Nobody crossing, good to go. Almost at the shop. So the shop is actually 2.8 kilometers from my house. So I spent under $200 gas so far since the beginning of January. Yeah, way under 200 actually. I did my math the other day because I have my receipts for my business receipts, the gas expenses and stuff. Here we go. Here we go. Little church to the right. That's not my church, by the way. That's just another church here. And my shop is here to the left, right beside the Legion. I have a lot of people coming in to visit me at the store, which is really nice. So I'm going to point in the car a bit. So there it is right there. There's Rosie's store. There's my store. Somebody parked a 10cc. Oh, it's an electric one in a parking spot right in front of me. There we go, people. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Negative energy, housing. What do you think of the housing? Taxing empty homes on their value of the homes? Comment below. Let me know. Thanks for watching.